Hey everybody, it's Troy. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be taking a hike on the Ice Age Trail here in central Wisconsin. I'm going to be hitting the Waupaca River section, which is a little over 4 miles each way. So I'm going to be getting out there. It's a little after 1:45 in the afternoon on Tuesday. So let's get at it. Okay, I'm at the trailhead right now. Just got the car parked, all geared up, and we're getting ready to head out. So let's get going. Okay, so I just made it up this first part of the section. I went on the connecting trail, and then I took a right, and I'm going to hit the area that's going uphill. Had a nice little incline. So it's a nice start. Kind of went by the river for a little bit, then it went up. So we'll follow this for a while here, and basically real nice, nicely maintained paths and everything, and well mowed and groomed and everything like that. Still wild though, but real pretty out here. It's about 82 today. In the woods it's less, but there's a little breeze, so it's just about perfect. Hey everybody, it's Troy. Just a quick note that if you're enjoying this video, if you're gaining inspiration for your next outdoor adventure, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, notification buttons, and share buttons to get more information and videos just like this one. Thanks again for watching the video, and now back to it. So here we are. A little cabin through here. Wood pile. Burn pit. Kind of nice. I guess you can rent this from time to time. Let's check inside. Cool. So you got a little area on here that you can stay. Pretty darn nice. I was just coming across through here. I just kicked up a big buck. It was on my left-hand side, so real nice trail through here. So far it's been a fair amount uphill. But I'm coming to the end of the first segment, then I'm going to double back and head back the other way and hit the rest of the trail, which I believe goes more by the Waupaca River. So I'm looking forward to that. So it's a pretty neat trail. And it's kind of nice when it's in your own backyard almost, so to speak. So I appreciate you following me, and let's keep going. As I'm hiking through here, and I know I'm talking right now, but just listening to the wind and everything, birds. It's squirrels, everything running around in here. It's just awesome to be able to do that. We are so fortunate to have this trail, and there's other trails like this, to just get out here and just kind of just let things settle. All right, boys and girls, guess what? Your guide here just took a wrong turn. It was so overgrown in some spots that I went on it's been just a small path to the water. And I'm walking, there is nothing there. There's no path. And again, always look for the blazes. If you're not sure, stop. And I have and this is a good recommendation, I think, is I have the Far Out guide, and you can purchase segments. They have the Ice Age Trail segment and other segments all around the United States. And I think it's definitely worth doing, because not only can you find out where you are on the map, like I just did. I could see that I was off the trail. I stopped, retraced my steps, and then I found the trail, but it was pretty overgrown. But anyway, it helped. But also planning your trips, because it'll show where parking lots are, where you can park your car, stuff like that. And then when you find your parking lot, you can scroll down and it'll give you GPS, Google Maps right to it. So you can hit go and it takes you right there. So I don't know how the heck you can beat that. So I highly recommend that. So now I'm on the correct trail going the other way, and there you are. Happens to everybody. So I'm just about back, almost done with the trail, getting close to the approach trail to the car, and thoughts. It's a nice little trail. It goes, it's real pretty around the river. It's not super long, so if you want to do a shorter hike, I think it's 4 miles. That's counting some of the road work. So I usually do just the wooded sections of it. So anyway, yeah, it's a nice little trail on here. Nothing too terrible as far as terrain. As far as hard, there was some hills and stuff like that, so get your heart rate up a little bit. So all in all, a really good trail. Again, hats off to all the volunteers that take care of this trail from the Ice Age Alliance. Sure appreciate what you guys and gals do for all of us. So all things being considered, a great day. It's always a great day to be outside. So until the next time, thanks for watching the video. See you later.